We made it.
Yeah, we made it. Surprisingly.
Yeah. How are you doing, Alba?
Now great. Now better. And you,
What a
Jesse.
rush. Yeah, I'm all right. I'm all right. Thank you, everybody, for joining us for another episode of As Any. We're here with Alba and me. Arisa is traveling today, so she couldn't join us, unfortunately, but she'll be back next time. And today, we actually don't have a guest, it's just us. Very special. Us and Alba's new hair. I love it.
Indeed.
It's so
No, thank
vibrant.
you. Yeah, of course, it's just made, in a week you will see it less vibrant, let's say. But yeah.
No, and we're really excited because today we actually want to commit to one of our New Year's goals for the podcast. So,
I know.
this can go either way. We
Yeah.
want to do some,
We can be
we
so
want to
disappointed that we don't continue, or we can get excited and want to work more on it. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And I mean the live coding fairies are
Yeah.
so far
No,
have
but
not.
this time will be better.
I
I
mean,
expect so because I work in this computer, isn't it? So it should be better.
yeah, you have a really nice setup now, and we can figure out as we go. I mean, as always, I
Indeed.
think I have the worst internet connection in all of northern Germany, so so we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
But yeah, so then let me share my screen so we can
Yeah,
start seeing what we can do today. So yeah,
awesome.
I
Really
have
excited.
there for sure. I have the local machine running with our website right now, so we can
Yeah.
start somewhere, isn't it? But yeah,
Yeah, I mean
so
this was always just a placeholder, wasn't it?
indeed,
But
but it looks cool too. I mean, it's from Vue because it's the Vue template, isn't it? It was like this
yeah.
literally. We just changed it with our colors, but I think it looks nice even if you don't know that it's a template.
Yeah, yeah, we made the most of it for sure from from what is existing there. Yeah. Yeah, but really excited to try and fix the homepage a bit with a little bit more customized design going beyond the template. And then we'll see. I mean, we had a previous episode where we were dynamically loading all the, or that's still going on, right? Where Alba wrote a little script to kind of oh my god, words today, to have all the episodes that we have on our GitHub profile so that
Yeah, that's
folks
true.
can see an
You can
overview of
see it.
all the episodes. Yeah, I just checked recently; it's still working. So,
Yeah, indeed. That's nice to
um,
know, isn't it?
yeah,
Because I think if you don't look at it, probably it stop working and no one noticed.
I
Nobody's
mean,
working. That's nice.
yeah, that's sometimes that happens, right? So no, once you turn your back and then it just stops working. No, but so this would of course be something in the long run that would be really cool to also have on the website, an episode list. And then we'll see as we go how much time we have, how many nerves.
Yeah, indeed.
Yeah. So
What we can manage. But
yeah.
yeah, so let's at least start thinking what we want to do initially, like a hero or something this simpler, maybe to start somewhere.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that'd be the
So
most
let's
important
go.
thing.
Yeah, let's go to the code. We
Ooh, and
can.
maybe we can also incorporate our illustrations, right? Because we had an
Oh
icon, but
yeah,
it has nothing to do with our design, and now we actually do have a design.
indeed. And they are in Ocean, isn't it? Okay.
I
Just
will
to... yeah.
they will be shortly.
Thank you. Because otherwise I don't know how to put them here. Okay. No, but it's nice. Let's create one component for the hero so we can start somewhere and maybe let me see. We can have an H1, I guess. Well, I usually, well, let's put section here. So I was thinking you are the expert on accessibility, so maybe you need to teach me also what are the best tricks and tips for creating any kind of HTML structure. But still, for now, I will start with section. I think section is fine.
I, I think just having one H1 is already a really good start and not five. So that's
Yeah, at least that I think I
yeah.
know.
Oh, I didn't mean it like that.
No, no, no. But
Uh,
I mean, yeah. Okay, so let me. podcast. Right now we have two. I just need to tell you because there's another one I need to remove.
Oh,
But so we find it a bit.
see.
So as any podcast, I think as any podcast is nice. And then
Hmm.
for the description, probably I will take the other one.
Yeah, we already had kind of all the content, right? Alba, your sound is gone. There's a humming like a bee, and your sound is gone. Or the voices in my head got really loud. Wait, let me check. Anybody has the same issue? I can't hear you anymore. Okay, we're experiencing some technical difficulties. bear with us. Um, I don't know either. Okay, you're back, but I still can't hear you. You can hear me. Yeah, there's a humming, and the sound is gone. Do you think it's maybe me? No. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. And this already has become a very interesting episode,
What
hasn't
about
it?
now?
Now you're back. Oh, now you're back. I'm so happy.
But it's weird because nothing has changed. So I don't understand. Maybe it was a platform error and not in our side this time.
It, I don't know what happened, but I just now I can
Hmm.
hear you again. So that's very nice.
Yeah, then, but I'm worried because I didn't change anything and I was checking the platform and everything was set up the same as now. So I'm worried that when I share my screen will happen again, but let's see, let's see. We can try anyway. I hope it's back for everyone, not just for you.
Yeah. Um,
But well, at least
uh,
we didn't started developing anything, so it's nice.
yeah.
It's not the
Yes.
middle of a
Let's try
conversation,
again.
isn't it? Okay. Yeah. For now, working. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. No, it's good. I
Otherwise, we
mean,
can try to mimic each other. You can start
I will lip
saying the words
sync.
you
Yeah,
think.
yeah, yeah. What I think you're saying. Oh
Exactly.
no.
No, so we'll be fine. And
Mm.
the welcome. Yeah, probably the welcome is being called by, I guess, the welcome will be the app, I guess. Yeah, the welcome. So probably here we could create the structure and then later we can do pagination if we need more pages in the website. But for now, let's put the hero here and let's remove the welcome so we don't have that thing anymore. And probably this one can also be removed. So we can put the hero here and that's it. Okay, so we have the silent here. No color for it all. Actually, if
But
you
I
think
mean,
about it, the colors were more or less my hair.
yeah.
Just matching, not on purpose.
I was gonna say it's a branding decision, isn't it?
No, actually, it was the hair decision because I wanted blue, but my color of
Ooh.
hair is kind of reddish. So you can
Yeah.
add blue if you don't kill the hair, basically. and I didn't want to
Mm.
get not curly hair. So that's why I decided to go with a warm color, but it's
Ah,
okay.
interesting. I mean, I would have loved to see the blue, but I get the decision. Yeah. No,
Nice.
understood. Anyway,
Okay, so
sorry.
did
We're
you
digressing.
upload? No, don't worry. You upload the illustrations?
Yes, they were already
Yeah.
there. If you
Nice.
check in the Notion under assets, it's
Okay.
in the private section. There's
Okay, if it's a private section, then I need to do it with Aseni. Wait.
yeah,
Mm-mm-mm.
and there is a logo, there's the backgrounds that we have for the stream, and there's also the flower and the logo as well.
Perfect.
Yes.
That's archive thing.
Yes, that's the logo with the flower.
Nice. Nice. So this probably this call it main banner or something like that. So it's easier than to distinguish. Probably copy pasted in a folder here. So we have these assets and the public ones. I guess we want it compressed. So let's create here a folder for illustrations. And then I can paste. No, I can paste this one. I need to move it. So let me. Mm, okay. So I have the open source project for any website. We can move that one there. And then what is the assets? Okay, so I need to put it here. Then I can go back. Okay, and what else we need? Probably the logo.
Mm-hmm.
And for the logos, I need this one. Okay.
Perfect.
Which one do you think we need to choose? Because this is like the never ending history. Maybe we need to choose one finally. Like we want to be white in the background. Well, slate. I don't know which color is this one, but I
Yeah,
think it's
yeah,
not white still. But the end or the dark one. I said if we think about the logo, we need to do the opposite for the website. Because if we do this, I will
yeah.
go
Mm-hmm.
for dark mode in the website by default,
Oh.
you know? So
Mm-hmm.
the logo pops up because otherwise we will have the logo, yeah, not that vibrant, isn't it?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I'm fine with either one. I think the pink one is not super visible, so that was just more for fun, right? It's not really easy to read, so I wouldn't pick
Yeah,
that
maybe
one.
for printing could be nice. Like
Mm.
a sweater or a t-shirt, that could be nice.
I
That's true.
like it.
But
I
for
like it.
website.
You're thinking big. You're
Always.
thinking
No, but
merge.
merchandise is something I really like from projects in general, isn't it? It's like the time I like a CD, like from an artist, I buy it
Yeah.
just because of the cover, not because I will listen to it in Spotify, of course.
I love
If I buy
it.
the
I love
CDs
it.
just to have the cover of it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, I think I would probably for the website go with that look. So like a slatey background and then the dark
Okay,
image,
perfect.
the dark
No,
asset, but that's just my personal preference.
no, it's nice. It's nice. I agree with you. And probably this one. Go again. Then okay, to the search. So we have the main logo. Probably we put it to public, so it will be just part of the result on website directly.
Yeah.
Okay, so probably for the logo, maybe we can add it as part of a header or something like that.
Yeah.
So we can create a header here and then add an image. Oh, see, thank you. No, but actually, the logo is in the public assets, so we don't need that, and it's a PNG. Yeah, good one. Eh? Probably if we have the SVG, will be more performant, but that's for another day. I mean, we don't need to
Mm-hmm.
make it performant today, but to think about it will be nice. And I oh, This class was there already. When did that happen?
Don't
Probably was
know.
Copilot because I didn't create any class. I mean, I confused. But yeah, whoa. We know we have it smaller. So let's say we want. Are we using Darwin? Let me refresh my mind because I forgot completely
I
on the
forgot
stack.
everything as well. Yeah.
Let me see in the packages. It will be easier.
We're even using
Press
Playwright.
da, da, da. Yeah, probably because it came from with the
Yeah.
template, I guess so. Yeah, there's no Tailwind, so we can do CSS for now, and then
Mm-hmm.
later on maybe introduce Tailwind will be a nice
Mm-hmm.
addition, just to
Mm-hmm.
make it easier. But still, for now, let's add maybe 60. Let's see how big it is because I don't know exactly how big it will look. But we can see. Oh, it's a cutie. It's nice. Maybe a little bigger. Yeah, 80 would be nice. And then we can do media queries probably to have it later
Mm-hmm.
differently for fun. But yeah. Okay, so it's not rounded. So we decide about the styling of the website if we want to list the playful kind of vibe with rounded borders and so on,
what
or
we
we
had
want,
mm, what we
yeah,
had before, right? For the old designs. Yeah, I kind of like it.
indeed. So then, yeah, probably we'll add some border radius here so we can have something more cuter. Let me see if 8 is, yeah, is playful
Ah,
enough.
that's perfect. Yeah.
I- Basic decisions, but the important ones, like the
Yeah.
tokens we are going to use, isn't it? Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see. Right now we have this main CSS where we probably did some basic styling, and then we have this one with, oh, nice, we already got the variables here with
Mm-hmm.
with the template. That's here's where we change it actually. No, that's perfect, just in case. Yeah, we have here border color whatever, maybe to keep the radius common through all the different styles that we add, we can create a variable for that here. So
Okay.
let's say they call it semantic color variables for the project. So let me, well, semantic color and border, shadow, etc. So we can have more, and then we can put it here, border radius base or something like that. So we know, and then let's put 8. So we can have it as a token. It's funny because when I'm developing, usually I speak like a child or like an Andalusian person, and it's weird to control myself to don't do that in the live stream.
Oh my God, I
But
love it. Please don't control yourself. That's
because when
amazing.
I was one day pair programming with Alexandra, one of our colleagues from the past, and I started speaking Andalusian, and she was like, "Why are you from?" And it's like, no, I don't know why I do that. It's
Oh
like
my
that
God,
my brain in autopilot mode is making, I don't know, that accent. No
that's
idea.
amazing though. That's like your superpower.
Well, I will not call it superpower.
I love it.
Yeah. Hi.
Oh.
Nice. So okay. What else we can do? I think I add for this episode I put some examples on Dribble. So maybe I can see today. Here we are. So here we can see some
Oh, yeah.
inspiration.
Perfect.
So for this one, maybe for the hero we can add the image that you give
Mm-hmm.
me. That's a good one.
Mm-hmm.
And then for the header, for now we don't have links, so it doesn't matter. But actually, I'm wondering why main is a style in the center. It's kind of a landing page. That's why probably. So let me see if in main. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, because probably, let me see how we can treat this page in order to be a page again. Is the div that is defined this way. So Okay. So we can do display flex direction column, and maybe add mean height 100. So we had everything, and then it will be centered. Yeah, that's enough. I think with this one, we are good to go. Wait. And then what else? What else?
Okay, I was just adding some images that I have of us. So if you wanted to add an image, there's some options now in the asset folder
Nice. Let me
if
see.
you wanted to do.
Oh, this is so cool. That's much better.
Yeah, they're really
Yeah, because
cute.
the other one is cool for maybe more promotional kind of stuff, or maybe at the end of the
Mm-hmm.
landing, the initial homepage, like at the end, some kind of illustration from the podcast. That's cool, but this one looks amazing. My old hair. See?
Yeah, your old hair. Back when it was still warm in Hamburg. um,
And I think uh, it's not here. It is, and then for that one, we can call it images. We can put it there and probably change the name because
oh
this one
yeah,
is
sorry, that's a terrible name.
host picture. Well, maybe, yeah, Hamburg also, so we remember. Nice. And okay, so for the hero, we can close the welcome already. For the hero, we can add the image maybe here, and we can add the assets will be images, and then host picture Hamburg.gpt. Nice. Oh, actually, Copilot is really nice for doing SEO because it's like usually when I think about an alt, I'm so lazy because I know this is not a good alt. So it'll be like something more descriptive, like there's three girls sitting in a sofa, whatever. But it's like, oh my God, too much. And maybe if I do it once, Copilot will start doing it that way. So I will invest a little bit
Maybe.
of time in the beginning to improve that. I think that
Yeah.
would be better.
Yeah.
And then,
And at least it's something, right? At least I agree it's not a good alternative text, but at least it's something and it's reminding people to add one because not everybody thinks of it. So I think it's a good start.
yeah, it's really cool. I like it. And okay, so for the image, I guess what we will do also is add a hero class and then probably add some kind of grid. So we have, oh my God. No, I don't need all of this. Like imagine tab, no. And then grid template columns. Let's put probably, yeah, 2FR is nice. We have two columns. So we have one for the image and one for the, or maybe we can even have high, ooh, longer for the other one. So it has less prominent, and then let's see what happened. What is it? Doesn't allow me to wait. No, doesn't allow me to create classes without putting styles on it. No. I didn't do it on purpose. It was just Copilot because I
Yeah.
usually use SAS. That's why. And it's not getting the image probably because it's coming from a, yeah, it's coming from source. So probably I need to put the entire, or wait, maybe if I do it with the ones that he likes, it helps me. No. Yeah, the problem is like I'm not using right now any custom setup on Bit, so probably Vue is not reading my. Let me see if I can No, I don't think it will happen this way. Of course not. Mm-mm-mm. Let me see what we can do to call the assets from the search because I completely forgot that, if I'm honest. Okay, I wanted to check in the normal view setup. Yeah, view. We did it with the CLI or with Bit? Bit template call assets from HTML. From template, actually. No, not from HTML. No, not that one. From template. Yeah, because usually is at supposedly. Let me see. So I was doing just with the dot, and it's probably. Mm-mm. No, but it's not resolving it, isn't it? Wait, maybe I put wrongly name because I didn't copy the name. I just put it manually. Oh, shit. Copy everything. Yeah. So I put
Yeah, it was a
wrong the name.
JPEG. Yeah.
Indeed. Okay, so for this one, we will keep it to the size of the parent. So let's put it to with 100%. Okay. And of course, these ones will be part of the same element because otherwise it counts as a new one and goes down. Now it's better. And then we can start aligning things. So align item center. We can add some gap, probably 2 rems. Maybe it's not enough. No, it's not enough. I think I will add padding also.
And we can also round the corners of the image like you did with the logo.
Sounds like a plan. Let's do that. Let's see if it helps. Where the radius? I won't say anything. No?
No, it doesn't want to.
Only now, yes. Okay.
Ah.
A little bit. Some tip and then it works.
Mm-hmm.
And thinking maybe we can put the hero in another background so we have like a contrast with the entire website.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
I don't know which colors we have. We have primary. Let me see. Primary. No, we don't have. Why they Copilot inventing variables? It's like I don't have it. Why you will do that? Okay. Color highlight. Probably that one is special. Let me see. Color highlight. Highlight. Ostras.
I mean, it's very special.
Especially this.
Yeah.
No, maybe too much. Yeah, maybe we need to find a color. Oh, maybe that purple can work. We
Mm-hmm.
have it yet. Let me see if we probably we have it over here. There's we put it probably here. But how to why is not oh it's interesting because usually I have like a plugin that shows
Yeah,
the color,
same.
but it sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work. I don't know. Okay, so probably what I can do is just grab it from here. Let me see if I have. No, I don't have any extension for that. Badly, but we can see if we can inspect this way. Ole, amazing. I love dev tools. You don't need anything
Yeah.
else. Perfect. So maybe this one and the text can be lighter and bigger, and then it will
Yeah.
be more prominent. But I think I like it. And then for the hexadecimal code, we have this one. We'll see if we had it. Otherwise, I will add it here. Let me see. No, we don't have it. Okay, that's nice to know. Then I will add it as part of the color palette, I guess. I will call it DC primary purple. And then let's put this one again over here. And this one can be called, for example, color highlight purple. it. And then why I forgot bar. Come with me. Nice.
I'm
And
just
then
waiting for you
this
to
one.
speak Andalusian.
I can't in English. I mean, I wish I know how to make that accent even in, well, maybe if I think a lot, I can try it, but really a
Yeah,
challenge, I would say.
yeah.
Yeah.
Do we do we want to keep the app background completely dark?
Mm, maybe we can find another color. I will keep it dark, but maybe
Mm-hmm.
less gray because it feels a little bit, mm, I don't know, like old, the color.
Yeah, I did.
Isn't
Yeah,
it? It's like, it's
yeah.
maybe one that is more interesting, but a black. But of course,
Okay.
not 000, but
Mm-hmm.
something. Yeah, we can see coolest blacks for website backgrounds. So let's see
I'm very
what
curious.
internet give us.
Yeah.
I will search in images because I want to see. You see, this is what I mean. Like something more glitter,
But
you know.
yeah, yeah.
Of
Okay.
course, this one will not be colors, but maybe I can say coolest hexadecimal.
I mean, we can also go ahead
Let
with
me see
the
how codes.
um, rough design and then run run it by our head designer to figure out
Yeah, that's
if
true.
he has any suggestions.
Of course. But see, we have different ones here. Then actually, my eye can only see three of them being different
Oh, I don't know any
right
of them.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I think, I don't know why the name of onyx as a name of
Mm-hmm.
color, I like it.
Yeah.
Maybe we can try it once. It's
We can try
030
that one. Yeah.
0104. Let me see. The black probably is this one. You see, boring black. No.
Mhm.
0300104. Was that way? Yeah. And black soft, of course, will be another one that is in that line, but I will keep it all of them the same for now. And then later we can see if we can improve them. Because I don't think we are using them all. So yeah, you see it's less gray. I like it more. It's blacker,
Yeah.
isn't it? But I like it more. Even if it's a subtle thing that we did. And probably what I will do also is remove this padding that we have over here that is making everything looks weird. Yeah. So we can start adding paddings ourselves and not the app. So where the app is coming from. So it's to run. And then we have the main. Here you have it.
I also
Bad
have to
guy.
share a game. Can I share a link on the? Does this work? It's a game that lets you do exactly what you just did with, oh sorry, I'm going completely off track, but it reminded me of
No,
something I
don't
saw in a
worry.
newsletter. What you just did with all the different blacks, and then you try and pick which color is different. There's an actual game for this, and it gets like really really hard, and I just had to share it. I thought it was really funny. But anyway, you're doing all the hard lifting, you're doing the coding, and I'm just here playing colorful
No,
games.
no,
So
but let me open the game so I can also see it myself. Is the last one you put it? Let me see it
yeah,
in the
the
screen
trickle
also.
host. And then you just you have to add a name. Oh my god, it started a sound. It will start a sound. So yeah,
But the sound is funny.
yeah.
Mute.
And then you have to yeah, but then you have to find the
The
color
different
that's
one?
different. Yeah, and it gets yeah. This one already is a lot harder, right? So yeah, I don't know. Oh my god, you're so fast. Maybe I'm also
Wait. No shit.
yeah.
Here there's one. I
Yes,
can believe you. Right now,
they all look the
what,
same, don't
wait.
they?
Is this one?
You're so good. How how are you this fast?
Ah, because I play a lot of these kind of games, even if they are not color based, but like the one that you need to click fast. And
Yeah.
Duolingo also, you need to click one word with another. No, but this is so cool. My
Yeah.
boyfriend will be mad at this because he's colorblind. So this will
Oh.
be like a nightmare, you know.
Oh yeah, that's definitely not
But
accessible.
I can say that green is the most difficult one because right now I'm again stuck.
Mhm. I have the same. Yeah, green. Green. I can't see it.
Yeah, it's crazy, but this is so
Mhm.
cool. Where did you find it? Nice. So then, yeah, you can discover also colors here, isn't it? While playing. That's very cool. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go back to the website over here. And what we can do is, of course, I will add some padding to the
Yeah.
header. I will try to add, because this is the color of the text of the entire website, I guess because it was black
Mhm.
background. So
Mhm.
maybe what I can do, because I tried to add a white kind of, but I'm thinking maybe not. Maybe let's put some kind of color text. What it is here? It is. So let's put highlight so we can
Mhm.
add a lighter version of it in the light mode. And then I will think what we do with the with the
Yeah.
other one, if I'm honest, because we have dark mode for this. But I don't think we are using because we are not changing between themes. But just in case, it's nice to keep it that way. So the day we want to change to dark theme or light theme, whatever we have.
Mhm.
But still, I will keep this one, and then we can exchange. And let's see now. It's, yeah, much more vibrant, and we can
Yeah.
see it better. Yeah. And then for the H ones, probably we can add a custom style. Well, it's just one, so maybe it doesn't need to be that special anyway. But we can put here, let's say hero instead of just H1, just in case. And then, okay, so sizes, important. Let's make it bigger as fact. And no, we don't want margin. We want probably font weight that is huge also, or maybe let's try with this one first to see how it looks. I don't know if we are using a custom font right now. I don't think so. I think this is plain. We can also choose one if you want, because I think at some point we had one in Notion, or I'm getting confused. Because I think at some point he shared it with us, isn't it? The designer.
Yes. There is a font. It's not like we have to import it. It's not a Google font. And so I think that's
Uh,
something we'll need to do later. We also first need to pay for
okay.
the font.
No, it's fine. Okay, okay. Then of
Yeah.
course we need to wait. No, but
We need
it's
to
fine. It's
wait for
fine.
that one. Yeah, but we should definitely use our like our custom font. Yeah. And the
Yeah, it
one
would
that
be nice.
he so it's slightly adapted, but we can still use the font for all the text technically or all the headlines or something. Yeah. So we can definitely do that later.
Perfect. And then this is what they recommend. I don't think I need the margin, but it's still line height. Okay, I trust. No, maybe it's too big, or I think maybe if it's thinner, I will like it more. Probably, but I want. I think I need a font for the title because it looks weird to me all the time. It's like I can see a plain font being the title, you know. But once we have it, I will be more happy with that.
Yeah.
And I will add some padding to the header here. So we have, no, but let's put a class. It's my header. And then we can add some padding here, but maybe a little bit. And then, yeah, it will be just like this. So we have it here. No, maybe one, a little bit better. but still
Yeah, I like
without
it.
styling it is fine.
Mm-hmm.
We will have a design at some point because we are not designers.
I have a
Okay.
feeling there will be changes, but
Yeah, for
yeah.
sure. And yeah, for socials, probably hmm, what we can do, we can.
We can link them. We're like right below with the icon if we wanted to.
That sounds like a plan. Let's see if I can get all the SVGs from Lucide because they usually have branding ones too. So for LinkedIn, yeah, this is cute. But probably they don't have the one with background, isn't it? No, maybe it's too custom. Maybe with one, yeah, better. And then we can download this VG, and then we can start adding it there directly in the project, so we don't need to move it there later. Okay, let's add it as, let me see, icons. Okay, have LinkedIn now. Can have X probably, or I don't know how to call it in order to search it because X is also other things, but this is the old one.
Mm.
Because if you say X, it's like, oh my god,
Yeah.
like a brand maybe. No, if I social, hmm,
But it's
this was
still the
closer.
bird.
But I think, yeah, probably they don't have the latest ones in free version, of
Hmm.
course. Have
We
sense.
can go with the bird.
Yeah, everyone remembers the
Yeah.
brand. No, actually, that's the thing. People are leaving the platform,
I
so we
was
can
gonna
use the old
say,
one.
yeah, I think about this every day about deleting the
Yeah,
account because more and more people I talk to, they're all saying like, yeah, no,
yeah, but
this
for
is
me,
not
it's
good.
weird, isn't it? Because I started there, and I actually
Yeah.
that's the only one I use,
Mm-hmm.
and it's weird because I will miss all that people I met there
Mm-hmm.
because I'm not following them in any other platform because I don't use any other. I mean, I don't use that one either, but I still have that connection with people.
Yeah.
It's so
No,
weird.
I feel you. I feel you. I think what a lot of people are doing is that they're posting their like, y'all, I'm gonna leave. You can find me here or whatever. And the people who want to stay in touch and see it, they can then go follow you on the other platform. But I don't know. It's just people have a point saying they don't want to support
Yeah.
Elon or anybody involved with
No,
that
yeah,
platform
have
anymore.
sense. I
Yeah.
mean, we won't talk about politics here, but of course, have sense that they want
No.
to quit that platform.
Yeah, yeah. No, we don't have to
Yeah,
get
sometimes
into
I
that.
think all of them, but it's fine.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I
Yeah,
know. Yeah. I
if
was
it's
gonna
not one, it's
say,
another. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, absolutely. Um,
Okay. So for the hero,
moving
let's
on.
add the
Yeah.
icon. Yeah, moving on. Let's about it. Okay. We can add a list of amazing icons. Okay. So we can add probably what we can do is do it a little bit more fancy. So we
Ooh,
can
do it fancy. Yeah.
create logo no icons kind of array. And we can add here the bats. So we can have just a way to and probably no, actually let's do it properly. So I will put an object better with the name of the platform. It's like Twitter, and then we can have the asset. Yeah, asset. Then we can have here the bot, and then assets, icons, Twitter. Yeah, now it's helping me. Perfect. Then the next one, is LinkedIn. Copilot. Almost. Oh my god, no, no, no. It's always getting too much excited sometimes. It's like you should search in that folder and then help me with that.
I love it. Yeah, it's trying too hard.
Yeah, indeed. Actually, he gave us an idea. I
That's a
want this
good
one.
one. That's a good one. Yeah.
Yeah.
What else?
And then
Yeah.
YouTube.
Oh,
Yeah.
right. Yeah.
Yeah. We don't have Twitch yet. Don't tell us.
Too
It's
much.
like having a conversation with him every day.
Yeah. Yeah. Stop nagging us.
So now we want GitHub. Oh, it's cute.
That's really cute. Yeah.
No, that actually they do have logo. We never talk about it, but I think it's a really nice one. And I don't know why it's an octopus. Maybe that's another conversation. But still, I really like the design of it. I think it's really cool.
It's an octopus?
Yeah, because when they give us the puppet, like there's merchandising, of course, and they have like a puppet, and the puppet is an octopus with the face of that cat. Is cat octopus?
I'm
Cat
confused.
cat
Yeah,
cat
I thought it was.
octopus? I mean, that's the pet that they usually sell in the
Yeah.
platform of merchandising because I check, of course.
Yeah, of course.
but, but I thought also was a cat, but it's like one of the things of the octopus, octocat. That's how Daniel said the name.
Ah, good.
Octopus can be variant things, isn't it? Like a cactus. can be,
Oh,
can be
now
the-
I see. Now
you
I see.
see?
But why?
Yeah, I mean, no
Okay,
idea.
anyway, I don't, yeah.
That's why I told you another day conversation because I never understood why it's an octopus, but it's fine. Octocat. For
Okay, yeah,
yeah.
we you live, you learn, eh? Uh, okay.
So then let's
Octocat.
put here
Hmm.
over here probably let's make it fancy. So social logos and then the name and then we can add here the image which will be this one. Perfect. And yeah, of course we want to link through it. So probably something to add actually. And then here will be the icon dot link and I will put actually Copilot try it in the beginning to put me link as part of the object. Now I guess why. I forgot, but he didn't. And probably for title we can say follow well also literals and we can say follow us on icon name. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. And then over here, we should add our links. So let's plan first. Probably we had it in the old website, isn't it? If I go to the actual repository, do we have the website linked here? No.
I think we have multiple, we started this multiple times.
Oh, but we
Double
have
check
here.
if this is the right one, actually. Oh, there's the link though, snepages.dev. Yeah.
Here. And I think we have, but actually we don't have the LinkedIn one, for example, here. Yeah, that's something we need to improve, like where to put the links to socials because there are mess around and I need to find them. It's like a little bit weird. And
Yeah,
then
the
the channel, I guess, will be fine. This one and this one, okay. And probably we can add also the GitHub that I had open, actually. So that's perfect. And for LinkedIn, oh, it's guessing is this one. Let's see if the guess is right. Well, I will not remove this one, otherwise we will not have it later. Wasn't right.
I think I got it. Wait, let
Sorry,
me.
AI, you didn't beat us.
I will send. Where can I send it to you? I'll send it here. I send it in our chat. Yeah, or you can view as member, and then you can copy the. Yeah.
Oh, perfect. It was
Yeah.
it was close, eh? Because he
Mhm.
put this but with podcast.
Podcast.
So
That would have been
probably
a really
yeah.
good one. Actually, we should have done that probably.
Yeah, yeah, probably will be more easy to
Hmm.
understand to people what it's about. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, but it's nice to have the small branding name because then for websites and domain, everything is more cool, I would say.
Yeah.
For later, of course, if you don't know us, it's nice that it knows it says
It's a
podcast, isn't it?
podcast. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay, so we have, of course, they are broken because they are coming from, yeah, from this. So let me see. I put them as icons and then the RSVGs, but yeah, I don't think it likes. Let me see if I remove just one. No, it doesn't like it. It's calling to. We have close here. No, but this is from the past actually. Yeah, no errors for that. But of course, we are calling to something that is not being mapped to something else. Yeah, no. Let me see. Mm-mm-mm. Let me try first to add one directly, because if it's the problem with JavaScript, then I know how to search for it. Yeah.
Ah,
No, I know it's because I need probably if I add string literals, let me see. Because I need to make Pete to understand that it needs to process that. I completely that's the same problem we had before. I was doubting all the time if it was add or not. It's like it's not yeah, taking it into account if it comes as a string. Needs to be read by the so let me see how to dynamically code assets view it to just variables. Mm, okay, it does the require thing. Okay, but this is Webpack. But if I form, okay, get it. No, if I think if I just form everything here and then just add the icon that is missing, it will work because it has the template there. Let me see.
so
if
you're
that
kind of
works.
mapping through them with JavaScript, but it doesn't recognize it early
The
enough.
idea is that bit needs to deliver the add to be the actual root, the dynamic root from the project, and it's not resolving it. So now maybe if this is here,
Oh, right.
it's
Yeah.
actually getting it. Let's see. No, didn't work. No, same problem. So probably, let me see if I import this, will work. Nobody is complaining. Of course not. Maybe, yeah. No, I need to check. You can investigate at the same time if you want.
No, I really like watching you. No, I'm just trying to just trying to wrap my head around it.
No, because this is doing dynamic imports. Maybe that's not the way I should ask about it. Kind of required. They are all the time doing required, but I don't want to do required if possible. Oh, get it. No, I think we have a way. So we can import Twitter icon from Twitter. Just add it here. And that will do the trick. I think it's overcomplicated this way. I would like it that it just resolve what I put directly in my in the strings, isn't it? But it's
Mm-hmm.
not working that way. Let me see now if all this Twitter works. It works.
Yeah.
Okay, we have it. But it's still,
Oh, but it's supposed to make it easier, but now you end up with all the imports, don't you? Like it's
yeah.
yeah.
I mean, I don't mind that much to import everything, but I think it could have been simpler. I don't
Yeah.
know. Feels weird
One day
to
you
me.
will create your own framework and it
No,
will
no,
all
no. I'm okay. My mental health is fine for now. I don't want. I don't want to put it wrong. GitHub, and then this is the one, and just YouTube icon, YouTube, and then just copy paste everything. It's the kind of thing that you need to do once, and then in the project that you already did that, go there, copy paste, and
yeah.
then you don't remember. Because I have this in my website. I had this problem in the beginning also, but still I forgot.
Uh,
Like I know there's a problem in there, but how to fix it is like I need to look
mm-hmm.
again and again. It's so annoying. I hope one day to remember things by heart, but I can't. No, my brain doesn't work like that. Okay, so now we can
Yay.
style them because they look
Yeah.
horrible. That's true. And probably first we need to fix uh, uh, um the stroke. I think two was okay because in the website I don't know why I feel it too thick, but now that I am seeing it, it looks thinner than I thought in the website.
Let's
So it should be
see.
fine. And then for color, I think they are catching current color, so there's no color assigned at all. Probably we need to change.
Yeah, it would be nice if they were the same color as the text color, right?
Yeah, and the text color I think was plain white. Let me see in the
The
variables
highlight,
over
it
here.
wasn't it the
Yeah,
highlight? Yeah.
it was white, full white, so that's easier even. So we can put them all in white instead of current color, and that's it. Da, 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 dum, ding, ding, ding.
Now we're getting there.
Nice. And then we need to also put probably a class here. Let's add social icons, and then we can add over here list lust the style none. And then we can add some kind of display flex and add a little bit of gap between them. The other wait, not comma. Okay, and wait. Yeah, of course, because the UL is always padding left something. So let's put it to
Mm,
0. So now better. Of course, I prefer some padding, but just okay.
nice.
And then if we click, wait, important. We need to put target blank thingy, otherwise it will just leave the site. So now we have perfect.
Perfect.
One step at a
Nice.
time. But there's no, oh, this is
Yeah.
horrible. What is this hover?
Oh,
Probably there's an A hover. And it looks, oh, what? They choose a different cursor. Usually the cursor is like hand and that's it. They put like a hand and on top of it the arrow. You see that?
no, I
Like,
can't see that. No.
so imagine if we go, let me see if I go here, for example, and I try to go to something clickable. Oh
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
they did the same. Wait, that's from the browser? This is so weird. I mean, usually I see just the hand, not a hand with an arrow. Wait, in the streaming you are not seeing the same as me.
No, I'm not. Maybe it's your kind of magic. Maybe something is happening.
But I can tell I will make a screenshot.
Make a screenshot, yeah.
Ah no,
Oh
I
no,
can
but
make a screenshot of that. Wait. Well, I can make a picture with the phone, but
with the that's old
no,
school.
but I will do it because this is so weird. I never saw that. Like it's like the arrow like this arrow. Imagine that
Yeah,
arrow
yeah, yeah, on top of the
on top
hand.
of the
Yeah.
hand. That's what I have.
Okay.
That's so weird. But when I'm sharing the screen, it's not visible.
No, I can't see
That's
it.
exactly, that's kind of like you are crazy. There's no hand
No, no,
with
no,
a
I'm
with
not.
an
I
arrow. It's
mean,
like no, there is, but in my screen. But it's funny. But I start noticing it after a while. Like, what is this? That
mm-hmm.
was weird.
I can see the hover, but I can't see the funny arrow.
Yeah.
Okay. But I think we made some progress
Yeah, a hero.
despite despite initial difficulties. I mean, we have your sound back and now we have a hero component, which
Indeed.
already looks really promising. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, step by step.
Yeah. So, shall we slowly wrap it up here because we've
Yeah.
already
Mhm.
entertained people for an hour, and we'll push our changes and we will continue here on the next stream if we continue being motivated, I guess.
Indeed.
But this was really fun. You did so well. I wouldn't have been able to. I would be really nervous.
No, don't say that. No, next time you can do it with me. Even if you don't share the screen, we can do it with live sharing. You can have
Mhm.
it installed, so you can start creating
Mhm.
components at the same time, and then we talk about
Ooh.
it. Whatever, that could be
Ooh.
nice.
I'm scared. I will probably be busy, so I will probably no, I'm joking. I will No, but this was really fun. Thank you everybody for joining. I hope you had as much fun as we did. I hope you saw the magic cursor, even though I didn't see it. And yeah, see you in 2 weeks when we'll have the next episode of As Any, and that time we'll actually have another guest. So everybody's
Nice.
welcome as always. If you have any suggestions for guests, feel free to drop us a message. We always love to hear your feedback. And until next time, thank you so much for joining.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Bye.